Nchira ya bene kurwa se county ya Kisii awase kiaba egento kyomogoko asaba kuri emiremo bense moyobo chenwe binyoro gusaba munyekaine muna community health workers ekerabono baba wakanwa emisara yabo no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati abakora emiremo aboni barenge chiribu ibere chimi kyanda na 40 nigo kero yomo abagakonyora chishiringi chirwinye omurobere okorekana asegeti echiwosori kya Gusii stadium awase obagowekranwa mukonyi bwo mugavana se county ya Kisii asobwamo bali ira yogo kya kogendera kubakana emisara yabo munenchira moyo kubakonya wekrania obokoreri burobu yago kya se abananchi muri keito Mildred Momanyi no roboti uraso wekranu
Etengo ewiriato nigubene kigwa imeyegeti kya Gusii stadium imeye county ya Kisii maiga y'abanyagitari bali bakwerwa ase binyoroba manyekaine buna community health promoters chiribu ibere chimya kyanda na 40 kurwa ase kibunge chonsi imeye county abo babeire bagokora egasi yo kwerwa batari gwakanwa asenga kyentambe kwegwa chiribu inye kero oyomo no mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati ejo kirachi kubakonya kugura nonya na mache chinga kibagokora egasi yabo.
Today at this big event of my community health promoters in the whole county, the 45 wards, who totalized to 2,940 of them. We decided as a government, as it has been also the calling of the national government, to give them stipend. The stipend that we have given them, again, they'll be added from the national government, from the Minister of Health. A promise that I made at the campaign time, I've fulfilled. I've released this stipend for January and February. And again, I'm going to give them for, it's going to be a continuous exercise.
Nigo omugavana atebire buna nachekogenda kubakana aseboigo arwa eira yokuba ebintu binde bire chikobakonya okora emiremo yabo keboikeranu
endeavoring to make available of other tools of work that includes gumboots, jackets, umbrellas when they are moving from one compound to another to supervise and check that we have a healthy community at level 1. These are the first line of defense in health matters. I'm happy that now I'm going really to understand what is the situation of health issues in my constituencies and as well in my wards as a whole county.
Boigo nigo omwaziri w'obochenulea ogega akira omugavana mbuyamono asenera teba chibisa chire chikurwa ase serikali yanene asegati ya chiria banyora chirasoe ase NHIF.
Kama sisi leo kwa kaunti yetu government ya Kisii tunawalipa 2,000 kama stipend, alafu kuna 500 ambayo inatakikana kuwa ya NHIF, so in total ni 2,500 because tuna retain 500 kwa NHIF. The national government is doing the same. Inalipa hiyo kiwango tumelipa ambayo ni 2,500, 500 inakuwa retained and then they get 2,000. So in total watapata 4,000, national government ikiweza kulipa the same amount that tumeweza kulipa.
Ase chinga kecho abakori emiremo aboborokia omogokobo maiga yokonyora chibesecho ase chisimi cyabo nigobalia eira yogo chakogendera gwetuma ase gasi yabo.
Angalau tumeenda muda mrefu, lakini siku ya leo imetimia ya kwamba hata message ndio hii mimi naonyesha ya kwamba nimepokea shilingi 4,000 pesa za miezi 2 kutoka Stanbic, ambayo vile gavana alisema hivi tulianza kupata hizi hela kila mtu. Kwa hivyo hata sisi tumeahidi ya kwamba tukienda pale mashinani tunaweza kufanya kazi vilivyo ili tusaidie mortality rate katika pale mashinani.
Ngolipotelea Egeta Seni Ndizi TV.